yearly, upgrades, renewals? Let me break it down in the simplest way possible. CloudRaptor uses a subscription-based billing system. That means you choose a plan, and your features and limits depend on that plan. And importantly, all payments are handled securely through Lemon Squeezy, so CloudRaptor never stores your card details. First, head over to Billing and Subscription, then click on View Plans and Pricing. Here you'll see multiple plans like Free, Starter, Growth, and Scale. You can switch between monthly and yearly billing. Yearly plans usually come with a discount, so you save more compared to monthly. Once you choose a plan, just proceed to checkout and complete payment through Lemon Squeezy. As soon as your payment is successful, your subscription activates instantly. That means your account is upgraded to the selected plan, your limits update right away, and you can immediately start using additional servers, apps, or features. CloudRaptor subscriptions renew automatically. Monthly plans renew every 30 days. Yearly plans renew every 12 months. Lemon Squeezy handles these renewals using your saved payment method. If a payment fails, you might get a retry notification, and if it remains unpaid, your access or limits could be restricted. You can change your plan anytime. Upgrading happens instantly, your limits increase right away, and billing is adjusted automatically. Downgrading usually takes effect at the next billing cycle, and you'll need to make sure your usage fits within the lower plan limits. You can cancel your subscription anytime. Canceling stops future renewals, but you'll still have access until the end of your billing period. Refunds, if applicable, are handled according to policy and processed through Lemon Squeezy. So overall, CloudRaptor billing is simple. Pick a plan, pay securely, and scale as needed. If you need help, you can contact support at support@cloudraptor.io. And if this video helped, check out more CloudRaptor guides in the description. I'll see you in the next one.